Hey guys, what's going on? Street and Trail. Today I'm doing a grill install on my 2010 Tacoma. Here it is. Bought it off eBay. Let's check it out. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to install it. So let's go over to the truck and put her on. All right, so it's really simple. Just start with these tabs on the side. One there, and there's one here. Kind of just like a how-to if you're taking apart your grill and want to know how. And then there's this here and this here, so that'll be a 10 mil. Yeah, so it's a 10 mil, and I'm gonna do that, and that's it. The grill will come right out. I just picked these up the other day, some grill lights. Not sure if I want to put them in the new one or not, because I just feel like I have too much going on for lights, because I had my blue fog lights, and I was thinking maybe I'll run them on these, so it'll just be on when the running lights are on the grill lights, and then they shut off when I put on my headlights and fog lights. Anyway, so I gotta put these on. I believe they go this way. All right, I got them all tightened up there now. So you can see it's just the 4 screws Phillips and an 8 mil underneath. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and put it on and see how it looks. When you're putting the new grill in, these clip down. See it there, they clip down in. There's that. Tighten these. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Looks sweet, man. It fits really well too, like all the edges line up and everything. Right on. All right, well, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And I also did another video a while back on how to change the fog lights and all that stuff. So if you need help with that, I did a few other videos on the truck. If there's anything else you guys want, like a how-to on Tacomas, I'd be probably willing to do that. So just go ahead and leave a comment. Peace, guys.